Hi, I'm Luis with just88.com. Let's share the flavor with Mexico. Tonight, we're going to be making albondiga soup. Leave a comment down below if you've ever had albondiga soup. Let's get started.
Fresh chopped oregano. Fresh chopped parsley. Next I add a teaspoon of cumin as well as a half teaspoon of chili powder. Now I'm going to mix the meat mixture. 1 inch in diameter golf ball size. Chopped onion. Minced garlic. Chopped carrot. Sliced zucchini. Diced tomatoes, 1½ cups. Two cups of beef broth. This is a big stir.
Now we're doing the tricky stuff.
Leave a comment down below if you've ever had albondiga soup.